Hello everybody, I'm out here in my backyard. Just thought I would share what I carry with me all the time. I see all these posts on Facebook and YouTube. Uh, I wasn't tagged or anything, I just thought I would sharing the fun. So don't laugh because I carry a lot of stuff every day. So first off, I carry a wallet. It's a pretty fat wallet. This probably has something to do with my lower back pain. Carry a lighter everywhere. Let's see. I got a comb. Sometimes my beard tries to get wild, or what I call a beard. Here is my handkerchief that I carry every day. I think I'll go carry a bracelet that I made a while back. It's like 20 feet of paracord. Inside I have a straw with three weights, 3 hooks, a fly, and probably about 50 feet of fishing line, all sealed inside of a straw. On the end I put one of these hooks because I like the functionality of it. If I take it apart, I can still use the hook. You know, if I don't want to tie a knot, I don't have to. Thought that was pretty cool. Also, my watch, which is a Seiko chronograph. It's a solar watch. There's all kinds of mathematical equations that you can do with this. I haven't figured that out yet because I'm not a whiz. I did search it though. Let's see. I guess we're almost to the belt. Got Altoids. I eat these just because I like the tin so much. Alright, belt. Alright, this I believe is called a rigger's belt. I can hook a carabiner onto it and be airlifted if I ever had to be. But I also hang my backpack from a tree with this. There's other uses for it. I like it. Pretty sturdy. Made in the USA by Spec Ops. I just got this pouch from Malcolm, the Hidden Woodsman. And before this pouch, I was actually carrying 2 sheaths. I had one for my Leatherman and one for the tools that I carry for the Leatherman. And it was pretty ridiculous. So inside the pouch, I carry a hank of bank line. Let's see. The tools. Here's my Maglite XL50. It's got 3 modes on it. It's pretty bright. Can't tell right now, but it actually works pretty good. I had this in my pocket when I had 2 sheaths on, and it was driving me nuts. Here is my multi-tool, which sometimes changes. I just got another multi-tool. I got a Charge, I believe, which is exactly like the Wave, and it's a really nice tool. I like the Surge because you can change out the blades on it. Just any T-shank blade. Thought that was a cool feature. So you can actually take the diamond file off and sharpen the knife with it. Here's the tools that go with the Leatherman. I have 2 packs of bits, and I have wood files a wood and a metal file, or a diamond sharpening system, and then wood and metal saws I carry in there with it. So all that goes in the pouch. I also have a heavy-duty carabiner that I had hooked to my old chain wallet loop, but I don't like wearing a chain, so I took it off and I hooked this carabiner to it. I got this idea from a buddy of mine, Eat Carbs, on YouTube. I saw him carry one of these with all his gadgets and doodads on it. I thought it was a pretty cool system, little organization. So on the car keys, I keep this keychain fob that Rick Lindsay made me. It's just got a button compass and some extra paracord, which is cool, as well as a bottle opener and a ferro rod that I got from the Scout store with a scraper. Night eyes. It's kind of like a little pry bar. I don't know, I just thought it was cool, so I put it on. Can opener. And another Leatherman that I use to clip my nails and pull out splinters and everything else. It's just a pair of scissors. Looks like a Skeletool, but it's not. It's like a micro something. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. And I carry this Tops Mini Tom Brown tracker. I just had a sheath made for this, but when I'm around town and around my house, I wear the smaller one. I don't really care for this sheath very much, but this is a great knife to have. It's always the first knife that I draw everywhere I go, and I take it with me everywhere. And right now I have a pair of sunglasses. It's just cheap Walmart spider wire sunglasses, but they work. And that's it. Thanks for watching.